I started. Oh, wait, I cannot talk a lot still, so don't make me talk. Open ChatGPT step by step. And so we did ChatGPT, alright. We want to just randomize so that the results we get are more trustworthy. We can say, alright, it doesn't depend on the initial point for the maximization probably, or for the maximization, or just generating click data. I want to do that, and I guess it takes some time, so I also want to read this book on differential topology on the side, which I'm not reading it very rigorously. I just want to see what's happening. And we can have a chat with ChatGPT as well. About that. So Anaconda. This table is shaky. I don't like that. Stillness without stiffness. This room is warm. This room doesn't have a fan. I mean, has a fan, it's over there, but AC. Well, 2 study rooms are locked because people's stuff are there, and 2 were taken by other people, which I hate them. Whom I hate them. I hope they cannot earn anything from those study sessions. Oh, fucking so hot. Anyways, we will see how far we can stay here without dying. So I'm gonna give the code to ChatGPT and say, yo, what should I do to randomize the test? Simulation. What are you watching? Oh, dude, this is so good. How did it happen? I didn't even open it. It's here. Alright, I like this part. Randomly draw. Dude, I cannot even lean on this. Draw a ground truth scenario. I like that part. Simulate clicks. Then, based on that, every click simulation, run the optimal several random initial point. Keep the best solution. I think our optimizer already is on a random start. So one thing is that it has a random start. One thing is that how can we make sure the seed is different? Number of user types, relevance matrix. One have plus noise. I want to have more diversity. I like that. So something similar, but alright, because we are not going one hot, we want to say items belong to this category and items belong to that category. So for example, I don't know, maybe that uniform part not necessary, but what we want to do is first of all, no elbow. What we want to do is generate these random vectors or matrix of R that we are just randomly creating them, and so we want to have a randomness on R. How should I randomly create this? So right, we have R1, which is this. We have R2, Rm, for example, and they should be disjoint. That's what I want. Actually, that's what I want. Disjoint parameters. So if we have 1 to n elements, partitioning of the subsets of 1 to n. Where is it? Let me show you. So what we are going to do is, look, we have first of all m user types, and each one of them, like n items, out of n items, some are for user 1, and then they are not for other users, so these lines will be removed, and then some are for user 2, and this line will be removed, and then so on. So it is like any partition of 1 to n. Randomly choose that also. Assign it to R1 to Rm, and then those numbers get high score. And so we have all our relevances random, even the number of relevance vectors are random. And what else do I want to show? I want to say Q. What about Q? Q of the random matrix. Sorry, cascade model. Q of the cascade model, is it random? Are we gonna choose that random? Yes, why not? Let's choose that random as well. And then what else? Then we have like 100. Yeah, I think 100 by 100. We have 10,000 click sessions. Right now we can make it 100 sessions times 100. So each one of these is out of one of the 100. Alright, sounds good. Or we can do these randomizations over like also n. Also n. Also length of the matrix. Not vectors. And we can run them separately. Alright, let's go back to ChatGPT. Exit pro 0 exit 1. 5. Mixture weights piece, also optimizer initial point. True. What about Q and P in the optimizer? Oh, we have just one P. Yeah, here it's not randomized. That's great actually, that we started with this optimizer that is 0.15. But honestly, we don't need to change everything, by the way. Okay, this is the new part, Monte Carlo. This is bullshit. I don't want to see everything. True intent effective start. Yeah, I want to know about seed. M and N and RNG. What is RNG? Range? Alright. Okay, we want to change this part. One, two, three, four, five, and how many partitions do we have, by the way? I don't know. Then of item is like n. Just take n, alright. And we are assuming number of parts. Number of parts, what is number of parts? Partitions? This part, I don't get this one. Okay, range of n, alright, that's good. It's too warm. Ah! You go wrestling, bro. It's nothing. What is RNG? Wait. RNG, what does R? So let me put it in one. Random number generator, okay. Oh, it's preferred over np.random because it is modern and reproducible, avoids global state, safer for parallel or repeated experiment. Then with the function. Why does it take RNG as an input argument? The RNG. So it's not block by block, it is 3, 1, 2 and 0 and 4. Okay. Step by step breakdown of it. It is then just one. Only one item, the only partition is the singleton. Okay, RNG dot integers 2 to len of items plus 1. 2 to n, I mean. Okay, you can choose. Alright, yeah, let's just focus on once we have like more than one user group. If we have one user group, we saw what happens. We just have two vectors that are mostly similar. I should not also talk and yawn. How many subsets create? I see. Yeah, it should be at most we can choose len of item, right? Because each element, like that would be one hot. So for private. Oh, then we shuffle them. It's interesting. Shuffle the items so the partition is random. Then we are cutting block by block. Smart. So I was like, alright, we have these k partitions. Which one we should choose? It says, alright, just do shuffle and cut block by block. That's smart. Dude, ChatGPT helps us a lot, especially like me, people like me who were like kind of, we had this huge obstacle that coding. I was not really good at coding, and now I can have whatever I want. I don't care about coding. So the partition is random sizes. What does this say? np.random multinomial. Multinomial means multi-option. Alright, how many do we have? Kate. Okay, what does this do? This is decide how many elements go in each of the cake. Okay, but how? I don't know. Size is, how can it be 2, 1, 2? I don't know this part. Because their sum should end up being the length of item. Yeah, like parts. I don't get this part, to be honest. Which part of the... I don't get this part. Why 1 over? Okay, then the function is defined this way. Okay, great. That's amazing. Okay, let's go to the second part of the code. So we have the partitions. Now we want to create the R vectors. That's also easy. R is list. A choice of partition. RNG.uniform. Oh, okay. We just give it a base of 0 non-relevance, and then for the subset part, we update it to the values we want. Alright, sounds great. I like this code. What is this part of the code? Trancher. Oh, dude, it's so hard. Random R matrix. Is it the same name? Because I have to go, well, let's say 5 more minutes. Dude, it's so warm here. It's super warm. Alright, let's pause. Honestly, it's just annoying at this point. Oh, Jesus. Oh. Do you see the light? I'm from the sky, guys. Ooh. Ooh. Jesus. Jesus! Alright. Oh! Honestly, why didn't they put some like a lever here so we can handle? So I have to use chopstick. I wanna use chopstick. Oh, don't touch. What? This should go down. How much do you pay me if I put this in my mouth? Lie, 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 lie. Okay. So where were we? Where were we? What is this, by the way? Okay, and then we have a random queue for generating. Honestly, I don't know if we need random queue. And RNG allow exists false. What does that? If not allowing one, all right. So if it is not that, we can have queue be just no rank. Otherwise, Q will be an RNG.beta. What is this function, by the way? I don't get this part. I wanna have Q between like 0 and 1. Okay. So if we want to have a higher exit probability, we need to increase the 0.5. Okay. RMSE, A and B, honestly, do we need it? Return NP data, SQRT, I minus B. Alright, okay, RMSE, I like max distance better here. I feel it's a better metric. Yeah, even our experiment says that, alright, if there is one item that is standing out, we need to focus on that. I mean, these metrics are equivalent, but in the sense of convergence, we are not here talking about convergence. We are talking about big differences, and I want to put more emphasis on the element of the vector that is creating the difference. So I want to say max distance is better. better. Then we have this Monte Carlo loop, which I really like to know what's going on with it. So what does the Monte Carlo says? RNG np.random default RNG 0, n is 9, length of ranking list, k estimate is 2, always pick 2 components, n trial is 200, 5 restarts, number of session 10,000. Alright, this part I need to know how it works. So we have 10. Why, by the way, do we have an underline? Anyways, what is n trials and what is n starts? What are those? Monte Carlo simulation setup. So because I think it is just a random space and we cannot go try every realization or every possible situation, we just go randomly pick one from. We go through a Monte Carlo case. A random number generated with a fixed 0, which makes your n is the number of items in the ranking list. 9 items and relevance and etc. are defined from position 0 to 8. We can have another example that we have like greater than 9. Yeah, probably 20 is good. I don't know. Okay, so two estimation is good. In your case, you always estimate the 2 type mixture model. That's actually good, but can we also have this brings another question, that can we have an estimation MLE that also estimates the number of categories? Probably yes. Alright. N trials and 200. The number of Monte Carlo trials, independent experiments. So we have 200, maybe 100, and times each trial is 100 click session. Involves generating synthetic data with random relevance profiles, simulating click losses, and analyzing outcomes. Just to test robustness and alright, if you are doing 200, and then we have restarts, which are 5, the number of random restarts for the optimizer. Why? You rerun the optimizer from 5 initial points, and then select the solution with the lowest local minimum due to non-convexity. Number of sessions. Well, if you wanna run 200, and then each one has 10,000 sessions, that would be too much. I say let's have number of sessions to 200, and then number of trials to 100. Maybe that's. At most 10,000. I mean 1,000. So let me change this part. Number of trials, because this is a big number. I will make this 1,000, and I will make this 100. Alright. I mean, we are already 50 times. large array 50 times is too many. Alright, I don't want that. And also I have let's make it one. Now we are just 10 times. So 50 minutes, 1 hour. Strange, what is strange? Strange of n trials. So m is the number of relevance items. And I like to end with n like a bit larger. Now that we are generating, maybe like them 20. And we have our I should not be on R through random matrix MN RNG. How can you yawn without opening your mouth? Yeah, Q. Yeah, let's keep n fixed, n20. Who cares? I've already added enough randomness. If you don't wanna believe, it's not a matter of proof. It's a matter of scientific proof. It's a matter of belief. MN RNG. Q true is n. RNG allow existence false. We can allow existence true. Well, for now we don't need, but let me check. If not allow existence, so allow existence is false. Not if true, then it is just zeros. Alright, so we want to make it true actually. True. True. Alright, I want to have a ranking effect. P true. By the way, if you have true and then we have a list of 20 items, that will be scary. Q of true. P of true is yeah, why not? Dirichlet ones of M sessions, click simulate cascade session M. Is it the same function as we had? Simulate cascade. Zero based. I mean, it's really amazing. I'm so lucky. Or who knows, maybe they say fucking we have this AI. But I don't think I'm not threatened. I think like actually it just makes me become more clear. It just removes the bullshit for me, the coding. However, the person who is really interested in the logic, it's me. If there is anybody else interested in logic, give me a call and we will have a talk. Yes, yeah, based and then session R true, Q true. why should we choose the best? Best LL, best theta. What is this part? G dot uniform. Initial R. But the initial R is for later stages that we are doing ML E optimization, not for the initial Q. Is this uniform again? Why are we doing this? Initial P is this NPH stack. What is that? Init. Okay. But where is the bounce up in? But where is the init? Init is this. Okay, then we can have it. It is even better now. Is it the same? LBFGSP? So here we have a randomness in initialization. Yeah, here we have a randomness as well. So that's good. Oh, okay. Also ask this question if you have. Yes, estimating the number of user types there is a well-known and important model selection problem in mixture models and unsupervised learning. Right? Maybe it is something we want to study next time. Trying to estimate the number of user types. Oh, okay, it just runs the MLE for. Excuse me. Okay, back. So we have algorithms that find the number of user types as well. So why are one estimate is like we do for all different Ks and then probably find the best MLE likelihood. Number of parameters, then compute the model, AIC, we talked about them before. We can do that. 2 is another thing. So there is like a trade-off, number of parameters and the likelihood you get. Duration of process. Alright, so let's add one layout. Let's add one duration process. Okay, we are not doing that if it is complex. I want simple. Okay, that's also alright. Just have a note here. We can discuss it with the other. as well. Okay, so there are ways for it. I have to go to the restaurant. Back. This shit doesn't work too. What do we want? I see the other one. Alright, 20 is enough. And where were we? Okay, so we give it to the optimization, and everything it starts kind of random, and what is res.fun? Residual function. Best out. What is best LL, by the way? I don't know. Okay, negative likelihood. Alright, theta res.fun. Why should you look for the best one? I don't want the best one. The one that has them. I see. Because we wanna run it with n restarts. Where is the n restarts? Oh, okay. So let's give it like, I don't know, 5 degrees. And how many points? It will be 500,000. God save us. Alright, and then it takes 5 minutes times 50. 4 or 5 hours, dude. What are we talking about? So let's make the number of sessions first 10, and then we can increase. And then so best of those we get them, and then which makes sense. RA is best theta. Wait, what? What is best theta? Oh, it's res.x. Here's an RB best theta. Q hat is base theta. Ah, shit. Ooh. Ah. P hat is basis -1 results that append M best LL Q index Q hat. And then we save it in a data frame. Print df.describe. Sounds good. Are you down to run it? I say let's do it. Okay, we have just 10. Number of sessions is 10. Which is very low, by the way. Alright, let's make it 100 like this. What was number of trials and number of sessions? I don't know, whatever it was. Okay, those functions, we need to import them first. Cherusky. What is the function that we wanna simulation it? I guess. We should have this too, right? La 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 la, 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 la la la. Wait, what are the functions that are missing? Wait a minute. La 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 la, 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 la la la, la la la. Wait, what? La 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 la, la 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 la, la 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 la, la 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 la, la la la. This function we definitely need. And I think this is the MLE part we don't need, honestly. La 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 la, la la la, la 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 fucking. Honestly, it's for I am. I think I am. La 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 la. Fucking fungus. La 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 la, 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 I cannot. La 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 la, la 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 la, la 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 la. La 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 la. Here. Where is it going? Here. Actually, it's pretty good. Okay, maybe we. La 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 la, la 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 la, la 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 la, la la la, it's fucking warm. La 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 Alright, let's all move a bit. Na 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 la 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 what? All RMs must be of length M. Oh shit, wait a second. La 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 la. Okay, this is the error. La 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 la. What is the list? Alright, let's fucking go R. What is R? R is not the one. What is the fucking name for it? R true. Well, fucking right. La 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 la. Wait, what is this? Why R true has also the the partitioning of okay, are true. Wait a second. Are true. Are true. Yeah, it also partition. It gives the partition. So I just want the are true. Partition and partition and partition and partition. And partition 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 and partition. Partition true, partition true, partition true, partition true, yeah. Partition true, partition true, partition true, partition true. La 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 la. Wait, where is the partition? La 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 do 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 do. Partition. I don't know how to write partition. Partition, la 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 la, 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 la 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 la. Wait, what is? Negative log likelihood is not defined yet. Where is it then? In the code may I didn't want to bring it. Where is it then? In the door is minimized negative log likelihood failure shows you that family optimization and I didn't no negative log likelihood no. Where is it this negative log likelihood no. Initialization in I. Well, motherfucker, برز السلام في شارع نسينا فعشف الأرض ينسى ويسب المكرين أيا غلو الحمد لله إله العالمين مفتي يوما زنا يوما زمانا لا بدينا برز السلام في شارع نسينا فعشف الأرض ينسى ويسب المكرين ويقول الحمد لله إله العالمين وقتی من زن یمن أنا لسه لبني عرض السلام یمن في شهر نسينا شوف الأرض ينسى. Oh shit, fucking hurts. يقول الحمد لله إله العالمين مخفي ما زال يوما أنا لسه لبدين غرق السلام يوما في شهر نسينا كما شاف الأرض ينسى ويسب المكرين ويقول الحمد لله إله العالمين مخفي ما زال يوما أنا لسه غرق السلام يوما في شهر نسينا فما شاف الأرض ينسى ويسب المكرين ويقول الحمد لله إله العالمين. Wait, where was it? وقت يوما jeez, where was those values? Oh, okay, it's here. Why not non-singular? I guess I have to leave. Alright guys, let's play one round of counter and then I have to leave. The simulation will run. Lighting sucks. What kind of lighting is it? I'm dark. Then fucking I cannot see this. This sucks. Fuck it, we will play anyway. One round. Yeah, this is my. Oh shit, this is it. Oh shit, fucking my laptop is. Alright, we are playing one round after that. Yeah, obviously. Okay. Let's see if we can play, but I don't. Burns the laptop, people don't talk. Okay. That was why I just wanted to say. Yeah, so we cannot play counter while simulation is running, so. It's still running. Alright. Stop it here.